Disassembling the toner hopper section. Remove the 2 screws on the gear side end plate. Note, these screws have lock washers. Remove the gear side end plate. Remove the toner adder roller drive gear, the idler gear, and the mag roller drive gear. On the contact side of the cartridge, remove the 1 screw holding the contact end plate in place. Remove the contact end plate. Remove the mag roller stabilizer contact as shown. Lift the mag roller from the cartridge and remove the black bushing, then the white bushing. Remove the magnet from the mag roller sleeve. Handle the magnet and the mag roller with care to prevent damage. The mag roller should be cleaned with dry, filtered compressed air and set aside on a dry, lint-free cloth until reinstallation. Remove the 2 screws securing the mag roller scraper tabs to the hopper. Remove the 2 tabs and slowly lift the doctor blade up, being careful not to damage the adhesive under the blade. Carefully clean the doctor blade with dry, filtered compressed air and gently wipe the working edge with a dry, lint-free cloth saturated with 91 to 99% isopropyl alcohol. Place the hopper entry jig onto the hopper as shown. The jig will fit on either side of the cartridge. Align the jig with the ridges and notches of the hopper. Place the hopper entry tool into the jig and cut a hole as shown. Dump excess toner and clean the hopper using dry, filtered, compressed air. Be sure that all plastic shavings and remaining toner are removed from inside the toner hopper and on the surface where the hopper cap will be placed. Inspect the hopper to ensure all foams and felts are in good condition.